Maggie has a sore throat. Try to sing a song.
Oh, Canada, our home and native land. True patriot love. I'm trying to eat a fucking cookie. Get away.
Try again.
And all our and all our sons come in.
It's so real.
Oh my god.
Just trying to sing "O Canada."
Please see your eyes. Strong and free.
Yeah, right. You're
No,
always...
seriously. I'm fucking crying.
How do you do that? Like, how does that get to that point?
Wait, where was I?
From far and wide.
Oh, Canada, I stand on God for thee. It's not funny.
Yes, it
I eat this cookie.
Okay, say I'm a sick bitch with AIDS.
I'm sick. Oh shit.
He has laryngitis.
That's what I thought I had.
You sound so bad.
I sound like a teenage boy who's going through puberty.
Oh my
Let me eat this cookie.
god. How are you feeling?
Stop. I have not even... I look like a guy right now, okay? I look like I just got out of my grave.
You sound like a dude.
Get the camera off. Get it off. Stop. Stop. Seriously.
Oh shit. Maggie, stop. No, stop.